Crunchy crab is one of the best. With its sharp teeth, it can easily bite the tough shell. The delicious crab meat makes it hard to resist. The North American aquarist is a flexible carnivore. It is widely distributed in wetlands, rivers, and swamps. As a hunter in the natural world, their food sources are very wide. The most common is the fish or other aquatic animals. The body shape of the North American aquarist is long, the limbs are short and strong, and they are good at swimming in the water. This makes them have a unique advantage in hunting aquatic animals. Aquarists have thick waterproof fur which can help them cope with the cold weather. Even in winter, they are still active. As spring comes, the temperature gradually rises, and the river starts to freeze. A large number of crabs stay in the tide. The abundant food resources attract the attention of the aquarist. As an expert in crab, he will not miss the chance to have a good meal. When he notices the dangerous crab, he quickly dives into the water. After the aquarist catches the crab, he uses his excellent swimming skills to shorten the distance between them. He uses the strength of milk to drag the prey to the shore. In order to avoid falling into the mouth of the predator, the crab uses its powerful claws to grab the fur of the aquarist. Despite the fierce attack, the aquarist still does not give up. He keeps dragging it to a place far away from the river. With the sound of a crackling sound, the leg of the crab is pulled down. The aquarist can easily bite the hard shell and the delicious crab meat is hard to resist.